Project management plays a crucial role in the global economy, with the industry estimated to account for approximately $4.1 trillion in investments worldwide in 2021. Despite its importance, only 36% of global projects were completed on time and within budget in 2020, according to the Standish Group's Chaos Report. Projects generally fall into two categories: research projects, which typically do not have fixed durations or investments, and client projects, which are characterized by defined timelines and financial commitments. The use of project management software has become essential, with PMI's 2020 Pulse of the Profession report indicating that 77% of high-performing projects utilize such tools. The benefits of effective project management are substantial, including better control over resources, improved customer relations, shorter development times, lower costs, higher quality, and increased reliability. Additionally, organizations often experience higher profit margins, improved productivity, better internal coordination, and enhanced worker morale when leveraging project management practices effectively.